So guys, the vision board is ready. There's some spaces, but your girl is going to Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new on this channel, my name is Olly, Nkirote Rebranded, and I do videos about entrepreneurship, personal development and business as well. So I know it is February and your girl is about to make a vision board in February. How late am I into this game? Before I get into this video, here are my pictures. I'm so excited, but before we get to these pictures, I want us to talk about vision boards, because let's just be real, you guys. I don't think I have made a legit vision board. When I mean legit, I mean a vision board that does not have a lot of writing. Most of my vision boards prior had too much writing. If someone asked me, I was legitimately writing. This is writings, just writings everywhere. I use pictures, get newspapers, magazines, anything. Just do pictures. This time around I decided I wanted to do a vision board the right way. What is a vision board? Basically, a vision board is a board with pictures or images with the aim to remind you of your goals and visions over the year. We are going to make a vision board together, guys, and I'm going to show you guys how to make one, because I have researched, I have googled, and we're about to make our own vision board as well. Reasons as to why I feel like you really need a vision board is a vision board creates an emotional connection that motivates you. It works with your subconscious mind because it's pictures that you treasure or that you're looking forward to achieve. Another thing I've learned with vision boards is it makes the dream in your mind a reality. So real until you begin to believe it's possible. Yeah? How do you go about a vision board? From my research, it is as easy as step number 1, you have to outline your dreams and goals on a list. And I want you guys to not aim too big and not aim too small. And this is because if it's too small, then you know around July you have hit your goal, and that beats the purpose of the vision board. Next year you're going to make another one, and next year you're going to make another one, and next year you're going to make another one. So don't put too much pressure. I want to buy a car, okay,
unless you're in that stage of life, for sure you want to buy a car.
But I'm saying in my case, I can't put I want to buy a car. Like that's a lie. Like, I'm not about to buy a car this year. Focused on things I believe can be achieved in 2020. The second thing you should do is to go to Google and find pictures that speak to you the most. This is something I learned from Superwoman. Don't just look for generic pictures on the net that look fancy and use them. That's not going to sting your emotional connection to that vision board. And finally, you need to print the pictures that you have chosen. You need this. I got this from Textbook Center. Right now you are in tripod mode, and I want to show you guys, I've just finished cutting my pieces and all. Here is a rough vibe of how my vision board looks. There's so much space at the bottom. I'm thinking I'm gonna put more pictures. Yeah, here's some simple writings that I'm going to stick. So guys, the vision board is ready. I have personal side, I have travel, spiritual, business, and Nkirote Rebranded. So guys, the vision board is ready. There's some spaces, but your girl is going to add some few things that I was afraid it would be too much. Anyway, I am happy as to how it's turned out. And anyway, what do I want us to take away from this video, guys? Like, I was reading, yeah, you can put a vision board, you can put all the pictures and all the things that you want, but I feel like if you don't work hard for them, then they really won't come to pass. So yeah, I feel like that's the main point for this vision board. You gotta work hard. Like, you have to work to make that work. You have to work to see the manifestation is put across. So let's revise it a bit. Vision board, my personal goal for this year is I want abs and travel. I want to get some abs, hopefully get them coming through. I want to be flexible. I want to go for a road trip to Malawi. This is my quote for 2020, to push myself to do more, to not accept a life of average, to work hard and train hard and be the best I can be. That's the word for 2020. Spiritually, I want to keep reading my Bible and to pray often, because for some reason I forget to pray. Yeah, this is the business aspect. This is me with my Yummy Rabbits tea pages for Yummy Rabbits. I want to expand to at least 20, and the rebranded. Get 10K on YouTube and 10K on Instagram. To get 10K. And this one, I want to tell you what the 100K is about. I want to keep it personal. I want to tell you guys what the 100K, it could be Yummy Rabbits to pay me 100K. It could be Yummy Rabbits to make a profit of 100K. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it secret for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, how to go about making your own vision board. If you've not made your 2020 vision board, please make it. I know we are late, it's February, but better late than never. I feel like I had my phone vibrate. Anyway, yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much. And I found my tripod. For the guys who watched me on Vlogmas, I was using my hand. Now I have a tripod. I'm happy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. So yeah, guys, bye. Let's go and make more vision boards. So guys, I forgot to say this. If you have a vision board, kindly tag me pictures of your vision board on my Instagram at Olly_Nkirote. I would like to see them. If you don't have one, please make one. But if you also have one, you can comment down below your word for 2020. So yeah, my word is more. What is your word? Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and